What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the rear bumper build for the 5th gen 4Runner. Picking right back up where I left off in the last video, I've already taken off the template off of the 4Runner and I'm going to start tracing these pieces out on steel. Both of the hardest pieces of this bumper are now complete. I added cuts on the inside to get these nice perfect bends across. I can go through and weld that on the inside as well as the outside, and then bend this up a little bit so I can get that to make contact. These two were the most time-consuming pieces. Now it's on to the rest of the bumper. And here's the completed 5th gen 4Runner rear bumper with dual swing arms, one for a tire carrier and another for dual gas cans. I'm really liking the design of this bumper. It's very similar to the old 4Runner bumpers that I've built, with the exception of a plate on the bottom side for more protection. The design of this bumper fits these vehicles so well. For this rear bumper, I've added this plate down here for more protection as well as looks. We've got our tire carrier as usual with a locking mechanism. This locking mechanism actually is a dual locking mechanism because we have our dual gas can holders right here. I have a plate that goes from this bottom piece and meets out here to be able to connect everything together. And then this is the piece that connects everything together. Once everything is opened up, then you can open up the hatch. And as you can see, I was able to keep this entire piece here. Also lessen this gap over here so that it matches the length of this plate and this plate over here. And when we close up the hatch, we've got a perfect gap right there and right there. And that is basically it. Really like this design, how much it sticks out. And then of course, we also meet that wheel arch. And now this beast is ready for pickup. As always, thank you guys so much for watching these videos, subscribing to the YouTube channel, and liking all of the pages. I will see you in the next video.